final price. So guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over the full build cost on what it's cost me in order to do this KX85 from start to finish. And if you've got a little project on the go of your own, then I can tell you what to expect because it's not cheap. So guys, the real question is, why did I actually start this project? I started it, it was my own little home project, and it just looked sorry for itself, being sat outside in the garden, rusting away. Obviously, I was riding this previously before it was all like this and spick and span, you know, but it ran perfectly. It was just like a couple of bits that were starting to go wrong, and I decided there and then, like, oh, I've got to do something now. I've got to strip this all down and just rebuild it from the ground up. So that's what I did. So guys, another question you might have in mind is, what was the most annoying thing that I installed on this dirt bike? Well, the most annoying thing that I installed was the foot pegs, or should I say the springs in the foot pegs. They were the most annoying thing known to man. Now, I can't stress this enough, but I had to get new ones, and obviously that you can't, the old ones were really rusty, and I could take them off really easily, but the new ones were an absolute nightmare. But everything else, other than that, everything else goes together. It is literally so easy. Obviously, if you got YouTube behind you and stuff like that, so that's what I was doing. Everything I was getting confused on, I was going back onto YouTube. Like the bearings, for example, I was like, how the bloody hell did you get these out? Looked it up on YouTube, and there it was. Swing arm bearing toolkit, there we go. That's the thing, it's the tools as well that you got to account for, like, obviously, what the cost is going to be. If you don't have the right tools, you're not going to be able to get the bearings out and stuff like that. So that's what I had to do. I had to get the right tools, and yeah, they're really expensive, by the way. Another thing is, like, obviously I bagged everything up, and basically, yeah, bag everything up and take pictures, and it helps an awful lot if you do take pictures. So especially with the wiring and the spark plug where the kill switch goes up, and you know. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. It's been a fun project. So guys, let's move on to the list. The final price is here, and I'm like, whoa. The hand guards, Pro Taper chin bar, that was £53. Inner tubes, £45. Inner clutch housing, that was £70. Rad hoses, £30. Gear shifter lever, that was £35. Grips, levers, another £35. The air filter was £20. Seat cover, £60. Plastics was £74. Now on the plastics, I was seeing deals at like £150 for just plastics, like UFO plast. They're really cheap. They're quite cheap. They're cheaper. I mean, they're not cheap. They're cheaper. All bearings and bushings, £135. Fuel hose, that was £5. So another set of levers, that was £30. I had to get the frame shot blasted. That was £150. Gear shifter shaft. Obviously, the thing that I had to take out that's got the teeth on it, the holstered lever, that was £35. So wait like 2 weeks for that to get delivered because it's OEM. Chain was £25. Chain guide, £20. Chain slider, £16. Rear shock bearing, £20. Linkage bearing kit, that was £78. Front tyre, £40. Rear tyre, that was £50. Engine stand, £50. So obviously the engine stand I wouldn't really account for. Still got a couple of bits to order. Graphics, these can be expensive, ordering stickers up for the bike. Now I don't know how much I'm going to be spending on stickers. I haven't really got a budget in mind. £60, £70 on graphics. Anywhere between £50 to £100 on graphics. On a good set of graphics, I'll be happy. For the pads as well, they've got to be what, £15, £20 for pads. Final price, £100. I was gonna say £100, I wish. £1,076, but I'd take the engine stand out because obviously that was £50. So I'd say about, I don't know, £1,020. Listen, the bike's probably worth about £1,000, and I've spent £1,000. I've spent over £1,000. Now, I'm not worried about the money. I'm worried about the memories and the enjoyment that I'm going to get out from it. That's what it's all about. Now, I hope this has given you a bit of an insight on what things actually cost nowadays, because it's an absolute joke. Obviously, I just want to give you a bit of an insight. I don't want to put you off on doing whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. Honestly, this is what I wanted to do, and it's going to be worth it in the end, trust me. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button. If you have hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video. I'd very much appreciate it. I will see you in the next video.